Hi again, class. This is the video for lesson 59, which is proportions with fractions. After that long last video, I'm sure you'll be very pleased that this is going to be very short. This is a very simple concept. It's just a reinforcement that when you do cross multiplication with fractions, there's no change in approach. So we've already learned about proportions. My pen didn't want to move there. A simple proportion would be something like you set two equivalent fractions equal to each other. 1/2 equals 4/8. That's a proportion. What that says is 1/2 is proportional to 4/8, or they're equivalent. Then we said if you make one of those numbers a variable, like so, that's called a conditional proportion, and you can solve for x. And you do that by something we call cross multiplication, and then set those equal. So I'd multiply x times 8. I'm going to write the coefficient first, 8x, and multiply 2 times 4. And then we divide both sides by 8 to get our x all by itself on the left, and then x equals 1, right? And we can see that's how we solve that, and that would be a true proportion, okay? So all this lesson seeks to do is have you practice cross multiplying but using fractions, and just so you know, there's no change, there's really no teaching. I'm just going to work this problem with fractions and just reinforce the idea of cross multiplication, and that's really all there is. So let's go ahead and work this. If I cross multiply here, I'm going to multiply, I'll start with I'll put my variable on the left. It's always a good idea to have your variable on the left. It's just sort of standard protocol when you're writing an algebra equation. 1/4 times m equals 1/7 times 2/5. My parentheses are kind of small, sorry. Okay, multiplying fractions is super easy. We multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. Cancel if possible. There's nothing to cancel here with 1/7 and 2/5. So I'm just going to multiply my numerators and multiply my denominators. All right, now I need to get m all by itself here. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 1/4. That's going to help me cancel that 1/4 on the left. Let me write that up here. If I multiply by the reciprocal on the left, I must do that also on the right. We always have to, whatever we do on the left, we have to do on the right. So let's multiply that by 4/1. These will cancel, leaving m on the left. And on the right, we will have 2 times 4, which is 8, over 35 times 1, which is 35. And that's all there is to it. There's really no trick or new twist or anything. And that's all I have to say on lesson 59. Good luck with that.